Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on Pinterest app. To know how to fix or how to solve purchases on Pinterest, we click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above, we can search about Pinterest and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter the storage. And you can go to Play Store. You can go to Pinterest. You can search about it. And if you'll find updates here, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget